Hey guys, you all know me as Omega, of course, from all the gaming that I've been doing for the past 2 years. I believe I've been doing gaming for 2 years straight. First of all, I just want to give a massive thank you to all you loyal subscribers that stayed true to my channel and my idea that I've had going for, well, you know the story, for as long as it's been going. Thank you for all your support, all your help, and for you guys that, were just there. You guys made me feel absolutely incredible, and I want to keep doing these things for you guys. I want to keep being there for you guys, but that's when we come to where I also will be owing you a massive apology. You guys know that my content, it hasn't really grown or gone down. It's just sort of stayed the same for the past year. Nothing's really been happening with the channel, with the current content. I have a passion for gaming. I do. I enjoy gaming. But I've seen where YouTube is going with all the recent, adpocalypse and all that stuff. I feel like there's more out there. With the recent events happening on my channel and everything, I think now is a good time to announce the big change that I've been wanting to announce since late last year. It's taken me a while because I've been, really concerned and worried about the response that you guys would give, and even the concern of you guys just walking away, because you guys have been amazing, and I want you guys to stay there and support me through everything that this channel goes through. Even a massive change like this. The changes I'm going to bring to this channel is going to make this channel something amazing. So I'm going to admit something to you guys. I've been watching a lot of toy unboxing channels, like Ryan's Toy Reviews, Toy Collector. There's been quite a few channels that I've been really enjoying. I tend to watch them at night when I'm going to bed. I'll actually curl up and watch these videos, and I'm getting a real good vibe from these kind of videos. I know that YouTube favors these channels. They get substantial views, they get substantial traffic on their channel, and I've been thinking about this for a long time. But I really do believe that the direction that my channel should be heading into is the direction of toy unboxing for children. I've actually been really excited to share this with you guys. You can probably feel the excitement and passion bouncing off me right now. I have been really passionate about this whole idea for quite some time. In fact, I've actually got some toys here that I can unbox for you guys now. I was down at the shop today and I was picking things up for, future videos that I'm bringing out on the channel with toy unboxings and stuff. And I can do a little bit now. I've got something, because Easter's coming right around the corner. I've got the perfect idea. We'll come down to the table and we'll do a little bit of unboxing. Alrighty, here we are. Like I was saying before, we're getting into Easter. So Kinder Surprise is probably something that would be a great start for this channel with the toy unboxing. And I know a lot of you guys out there love Kinder Surprise. It was definitely a favourite of mine when I was a child. We have over here a Kinder Surprise Easter Bunny, and over here we have a pink Kinder Surprise Easter Bunny. We have a normal Kinder Surprise, but it's got Star Wars in it. Over here we have a standard Kinder Surprise. And here, this is probably my personal favourite, we have a Kinder Surprise Maxi, which is Batman. First off, we're going to start with the normal Kinder Surprise, and we'll see what's in it. Geez, I remember when I was a child, I'm opening these up. Extremely excited. Oh, chocolate everywhere. Alright, let's see what's in it. Oh, there's a bit of a polar bear there. Oh, comes in all different pieces. We'll place them down there. It's a polar bear. And that's him put together. Pretty cute. He's got a fish in his mouth and there's his baby. Oh, got him backwards. And there we go, that's the toy. Next we'll do the pink Easter Bunny from Kinder. We'll see what we get. Look at all that Kinder chocolate. Some people don't like Kinder chocolate, but I certainly do. Oh! And there's a Kinder surprise there. We'll see what's inside. There's a little bit of a maze. And there's another one on the back. Looks like you roll up the maze and you place it in her bag like that. Next we'll do the Kinder Star Wars, probably one that you've all been waiting for. And we all enjoy Star Wars, don't we? Look, there's that awesome Kinder chocolate that we all love. Be sure to send me your address and I'll certainly give you some Kinder chocolate, because by the end of this I'll have far too much to eat myself. Don't worry. I wonder who this Star Wars figure is going to be. Let's see who we have. Oh, it's C-3PO. And there he is. Alright, what do you reckon? We've only got these two left. We might go with the last Easter Bunny, the blue one, and then we'll move on to the Batman Surprise Maxi. This would be a good pick for Easter if any of you parents out there were looking to get an awesome Easter egg for your children. Kinder Surprise never goes without surprising. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, what is this, I wonder? Oh, I see, it's some sort of lock. Here's your meerkat looking creature, and you get the key, put it in its backside, and turn, and it's open. We'll shut that back up again. Alright, lastly, here it is. The Batman Kinder Surprise Maxi. Probably one of the best Easter eggs you could get your child this Easter. Something awesome inside. Be a Batman, obviously. Let's open it up and see Batman. Look at that Kinder chocolate, everybody. We all love our Kinder chocolate. And look at the size of it. I do love me a Kinder Maxi, don't worry. Look at that. Huge. Huge Kinder Surprise toy in this one. Look at this. I wonder what we get. Oh, there it is. Here it is. A little Batman sticker. There's Batman apparently chopped in half a bit scary for children, but it's alright. There it is our booklet. Oh goodness, that's a bit creepy, isn't it? I'm very sorry. I'm a little bit new to this, guys. Very sorry about that. I don't want to scar the children. Here we go. There it is. Oh, got to make sure we put the wings on correctly. There we go. And then the back cape goes over top. No, it doesn't actually. You can have two different capes or wings on them. You can have the wings or you can have the cape. There he is. Batman, everyone. An awesome gift for Easter. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this toy unboxing. I know it's a bit of a shock for a lot of you guys who have been subscribed to the channel for quite some time, but if you do stay a subscriber, I thank you very much for the awesome support and continuing with supporting me. And that concludes our toy unboxing today. I do hope that you guys will be back to see more of my toy reviews and more of my unboxings with different toys. And I do thank all of you for your support. If you're staying a supporter of this channel, for my new changes and new ideas that I'm going to be doing with this channel. Thank you so much. Keep supporting what I'm doing. Got more toy reviews on the way, and we will catch you in the next unboxing video.